Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Every Kenyan loves ugali served with managu or greens. Now today's episode I'm going to show you how to make managu made creamy using Lato milk and served with ugali. Let's get started. Now for the ingredients, we need managu. Now this I've already cleaned and cut the stalks from it. We also have 1.5 onion, 2 tomatoes, garlic. We also have Lato salted butter, which is what we will use to fry it. And to make it creamier, we'll use Lato whole milk. Now for most greens, I usually like blanching them first when they are still whole. Blanch for about 2 minutes and then we'll drain off the water. Now we'll start with the cooking process. I prefer using the butter, the salted one, when you're cooking, and then save the non-salted one when you're baking with it. So about 40 grams of butter. As you wait for the butter to melt, we'll cut the managu. So I prefer this method when I'm cooking my greens because it even makes it easier to cut them. And what I said earlier is also you reserve the nutrients when you boil them whole. When you cut your vegetables before cooking, you actually lose more nutrients. Fry our onions and the garlic. When it comes to the onion, what I usually say is that there's no too much onion. The more the onion, sometimes I feel the better the food will be. It's just that the garlic is the one that you need to be careful with, because if you put too much, it will overpower the food. Remember, when you're cooking with butter, it's more flavorful than when you're using just ordinary cooking oil. Now, when the onion is soft and even slightly brown, that's when you'll add the tomatoes. Now, what I like doing with the tomato is just cook it for about a minute, and then I'll add the chopped up managu. Don't forget the salt, and then stir everything. So the greens will cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'll take 100 ml of Lato milk. I will add it to my managu. So when it comes to a boil, just keep stirring. You can add a little bit more milk if you like, if you want it more creamier or with more liquid. So by adding Lato milk, it makes it more creamy, as you can see, and definitely more nutritious. And that has been today's dish, ugali served with managu, made with a Lato twist. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. See you next time.